What if a legendary 1970 Dodge Challenger came back with over 700 supercharged horsepower? This $280,000 Hellcat Restomod is pure American muscle perfection. The moment you see this 1970 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Restomod, you realize this isn't just another restored classic. This is what happens when one of the greatest American muscle cars ever built is reborn with modern supercar power. With an incredible price tag of $280,000, this Challenger blends timeless Mopar heritage with breathtaking performance, creating a machine that commands attention before the engine even starts. Finished in an intimidating gloss black exterior, this Challenger looks like it rolled straight out of a Hollywood action movie. Every bodyline reflects decades of muscle car history while hinting at the monster hiding beneath the shaker hood. The fresh chrome trim shines against the deep black paint, giving the car a premium show-quality appearance from every angle. But the real story begins under that iconic shaker hood. Powering this masterpiece is the legendary Mopar supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat HEMI V8 engine. This modern powerhouse completely transforms the driving experience, delivering explosive acceleration and a thunderous exhaust note that instantly reminds everyone why American V8 engines are so legendary. Unlike many modern performance cars equipped with automatic transmissions, this Challenger keeps the driving experience completely authentic with a 5-speed manual transmission. Every gear change is controlled by the driver, while the hydraulic clutch provides smooth yet confident engagement. Combined with the famous pistol grip shifter inside the cabin, every shift becomes an unforgettable part of the experience. Putting all that power to the pavement is a sure grip rear end paired with aggressive 3.70-to-1 gears. This combination delivers instant acceleration while maintaining excellent cruising capability, making this Challenger equally comfortable on the highway or at a weekend car show. Keeping such a powerful engine running cool requires serious engineering, which is why an aluminum radiator has been installed. Even during spirited driving, the cooling system is designed to maintain reliable operating temperatures despite its incredible performance. This Restomod doesn't sacrifice comfort. Air conditioning keeps the cabin comfortable during summer cruises, while power steering makes maneuvering this classic muscle car effortless, whether you're driving through city streets or pulling into a local cars and coffee event. Stopping power has also received a complete modern upgrade. Four-wheel disc brakes provide the confidence needed to control the massive performance of the Hellcat engine. Whether you're enjoying spirited back-road driving or simply cruising through town, braking performance matches the incredible acceleration. The Challenger rides on beautiful Weld wheels that perfectly complement its aggressive stance. Up front, 255/40 R17 performance tires provide responsive steering, while the wider 275/50 R17 rear tires maximize traction, helping transfer every bit of supercharged power to the pavement. Walk around the exterior, and you'll notice that every detail has been carefully considered. The iconic shaker hood immediately identifies this Challenger as something truly special. Fresh chrome accents add brilliance throughout the body, while the finished trunk even includes a spare tire, proving that no detail has been overlooked during this incredible build. Looking underneath reveals craftsmanship that's just as impressive as the exterior. The underside has been painted to match the body color, giving the car a level of finish usually reserved for concours quality builds. Even areas most people rarely see have received meticulous attention. The exhaust system has been freshly painted, while new brake lines and fuel lines ensure long-term reliability. A brand new gas tank, new hardware throughout, and an upgraded suspension complete the undercarriage restoration, creating a foundation capable of handling modern Hellcat performance. Open the door and you're welcomed into a cabin that beautifully blends vintage style with subtle modern enhancements. The factory-style dashboard preserves the unmistakable 1970 Challenger character, while black vinyl upholstery delivers the authentic muscle car atmosphere enthusiasts love. Fresh black carpeting, a matching black headliner, and a center console create a clean, cohesive interior. The factory-style radio maintains the classic appearance, while upgraded aftermarket gauges provide accurate information about the modern drivetrain. One of the most exciting features inside is undoubtedly the iconic 5-speed pistol grip shifter. It instantly transports you back to the golden age of American muscle while connecting directly to the modern Hellcat powertrain beneath the hood. Grasp the beautiful wood-grain steering wheel, press the clutch, fire up the supercharged HEMI, and suddenly everything comes alive. The unmistakable V8 rumble fills the cabin, the shaker hood vibrates with every pulse of the engine, and every press of the throttle reminds you that this is far more than a restored classic. This isn't simply a car built for displaying under bright showroom lights. It's a machine engineered to be driven, enjoyed, and remembered. Every mile combines classic styling with modern engineering, creating an experience few vehicles in the world can match. With a price of $280,000, this 1970 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Restomod represents the pinnacle of custom American muscle. It delivers timeless design, world-class craftsmanship, supercharged performance, and everyday drivability, all in one unforgettable package. Available through Vanguard Motor Sales, this extraordinary Restomod also comes with financing options for qualified buyers, making the dream of owning one of the most spectacular modernized classic muscle cars just a little more attainable. Whether you're a lifelong Mopar enthusiast, a collector searching for the ultimate Restomod, or simply someone who appreciates world-class automotive craftsmanship, this Challenger stands as proof that legends never die. They simply come back stronger, faster, louder, and more exciting than ever before. If you enjoyed this incredible 1970 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Restomod, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another amazing classic, exotic, or high-performance machine. Which feature impressed you the most? The supercharged Hellcat engine, the legendary shaker hood, or the classic 5-speed pistol grip shifter? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.